Greetings! My name is Bill, and I am the Snarky Apologist. Here's a scenario I'd like you to think about. I have a delivery service, right? Snarky's delivery service. Probably not going to get a lot of business, but that's okay. For the sake of analogy, I've got this delivery service. And I have one of my workers, call him Charles, all right? No particular reason. So Charles is driving a truck, and he's making his deliveries and his pickups. It's Friday afternoon. He's on his way back into the office, waiting to pick up his check. He's going to enjoy the weekend, and life is good. On the way back, he hits somebody in the truck and kills them. Wow, so much for a good weekend. He's going to be paying out for a long, long time, right? Because he hit this person and killed them. And, boy, he's in a bad way, isn't he? No, he's not. No. Actually, because he's working for Snarky Delivery Service, it's up to me as the proprietor to have insurance. Now, can the insurance company come after Bill personally and take my house and my dog and my... You know, they can't lay claim to anything personally. That's why I have insurance. But driver Charles is off the hook. You see, he doesn't, because he's an agent, he's actually working for Snarky Delivery Service, he's not held accountable or responsible for the accident. Well, at least from a monetary perspective. Any lawsuits are going to go through Snarky Delivery Service themselves. With that in mind, why did the WatchTower Society back in, I believe it was October of 2003, pay out the largest cash settlement of $1.5 million in a wrongful death suit? Stay tuned and watch this. I think you're going to be interested.
To begin with, go to Google and simply enter Kaskoff, and Biter. This will kind of give you an idea of who the players are in this. Then click on their website, which will take you there, and you'll see about how Mr. Michael Kaskoff was the Attorney of the Year. Now, why does this play into this? Well, let's learn the players. They are the attorneys or the plaintiff's counsel in a manslaughter case. Oh boy, you just feel the drama, huh? Fact of the matter is that it's actually quite easy to understand. It was definitely in the WatchTower's benefit to settle out of court rather than have the case go before a jury for a decision. You see, the WatchTower knew at hand was a particular issue that could have really blown up in their face, and this is it. It's the issue of agency. Now, here's a definition of agency. It'll explain things a lot clearer. Agency is the word used to express a relationship between a principal party and its agent, through which the principal party projects its power and or advances some purpose. And a principal party may be held liable for the actions of its agents. Okay, are you starting to see what I see here? Now, let's return back to our attorneys, Koskoff, and Biter. Attorney for them, Joel Faxon, struck a nerve. During the court proceedings, here is what attorney Joel Faxon said. He claimed on his client's behalf that Jordan Johnson was serving as a Bethelite and agent of the organization at the time and advancing their purpose. We're here to tell you about the kingdom. Sound familiar? Therefore, Jehovah's Witnesses was responsible for his actions. Now, obviously, they did not want to set what's referred to as a precedent. And you probably already know this, but just for the sake of the video, let's take a look. What is precedent? It's termed a court decision in an earlier case with facts and legal issues similar to a dispute currently before a court. Judges will generally follow precedent, meaning that they use the principles established in earlier cases to decide new cases that have similar facts and raise similar legal issues. A judge will disregard precedent if a party can show that the earlier case was wrongly decided or that it differed in some significant way from the current case. So there you have it. And I think this occurred back in '82, as I recall. I'll see if there's any links available. I'll have them in the description field of the video. But it's these men, it's the leadership, all right, that's wreaking havoc and changing things and just kind of leading everybody. These are the guys that are pulling the strings of their followers. You can see how they could not continue paying out the large sums. I mean, they're currently paying out large sums right now. But to set a precedent where if it went to a jury, that the jury cited, if they said, well, yeah, Mr. Jordan was acting on behalf of the WatchTower Society, they are liable, they'd be paying out money left and right. No Jehovah's Witness that's representing the WatchTower Society would be hands off. I mean, it would be sky's the limit. So they had to settle out of court. It's these men that need to come to their senses. More than anything, it's these men that need to come to Christ. They use the Bible as a tool to manipulate their own followers, and it's really, really sinful. My advice, come to Christ. If you want more information, contact me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about it. That's all I got, folks. God bless. Amen. Let's do it again real soon, okay? Bye-bye.